Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Open Excel and choose blank workbook or a template sized for 8, 5 by 11 inches print, then name the file and set a save location. Use the ribbon to access Home, Insert, Page Layout, and Data tabs quickly. Learn where formatting, charts, and tables live. Save early as an XLSX file and enable auto-save for cloud files every 10 minutes so you avoid losing changes. Set up a header with file name and page numbers, and adjust margins to 0, 5 inches for compact printing. Start formulas with equals and use SUM, A1, A10, or average, B2, B50 for basic totals. Type F2 to edit a cell. Use absolute references like when copying formulas to preserve key cells while relative references shift. Use if A1 1000 bonus, no bonus to create conditional outputs in cells, and combine functions such as VLOOKUP or XLOOKUP to pull data from tables. Press Ctrl+D to fill down or Ctrl+R to fill right, and check calculations by using Evaluate Formula in the Formulas tab. Convert ranges to table with Ctrl+T to enable filters, structured references, and table styles, and to make formulas auto-expand. Use pivot table on at least 1,000 rows to summarize and group by date or category quickly. Place the pivot table on a new sheet to avoid overwriting raw data. Use conditional formatting to highlight top 10 items or values above 75%. Export to PDF or CSV and set print area with page layout before saving the final output, and validate totals against source data to ensure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.